Metal sheet I'm gonna go ahead and cut for some support, and this is what we're gonna be using today, JB Weld. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use all of it, so I'm gonna pour all of it out just like that. You squeeze it out, then you grab your little stick and you just mix it, put it in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and just start putting all the paste. I think we're gonna need, you guys can see it came out almost pretty flat. What is up, guys? We're back for another video. Today's gonna be a chill video. What I'm gonna work on today is we're gonna go ahead and work on that side skirt. I went ahead and ordered tabs so it doesn't pop out like that no more. It's been bothering me for a while. And then we're gonna go ahead and work on our bumper again. I'm gonna show you guys the process in that. It's pretty simple. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And then we might end up rolling my fenders too in this video. So yeah, first things first is I'm gonna get the side skirt off, and then I'm gonna get this bumper off as well. Alright, so we got it off, and we're gonna go ahead and sand these down more flat. And this side's the one that's worse. You can see it's starting to tear here. There's like a tear right there. You can see we're gonna go ahead and sand these down. We're gonna go ahead and cut up this metal sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and cut for some support like that and put it over with some more plastic bondo. And then with the side skirt, what I need to fix is this. So I went ahead and drilled a hole straight through because it wasn't through the extension before, but now it is. And then I cut a hole right here too as well to pass the zip ties to be able to hold this up better. And we'll see if that fixes the problem that I have where it just pops out and it's not in correctly. So that's most likely the easier fix, but this is going to take a little more work, and we're going to see how it comes out. Alright guys, so I cut up a piece about this big. I might do some trimming, but what I'm going to do is I already shaved this down a bit. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here like this. And that's what I'm saying, it might need some trimming, as you can see. But I'll do that as it comes. And I'm just going to use it as reinforcement pretty much for the plastic bondo I'm going to put. So this is a lot more sturdier. So that's the way I'm going to tackle this. Same thing for this side. It fits better on this side actually. So you can see it goes all the way in there to the corner. And it's just going to be reinforcement. And we'll see if it works out. Alright guys, here are the two pieces. You got them pretty identical. You see on top of each other, they're the same thing. And this is what we're going to be using today. So what I did is I taped off the top of the bumper to keep a flat surface on both sides, you can see. And then we're just going to flip it around. You can do that. Pull this back. And then we're just going to flip it upside down. Just like that. As you can see, it keeps a flat surface almost. I'm going to put something behind the bumper so it doesn't fall back. But as you can see, pretty much helps keep it flat. Go ahead and adjust it. So here it is now that I got it set up how I wanted. Just like that on that side. And like that on that side. So we're gonna go ahead and start mixing this. Alright guys, I set it up as best as I can on my stand. So pretty simple. Your JB Weld. Twist it, pop it, and then they give you a little stick you can use. Just gonna wanna and then push it just like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use all of it, so I'm gonna pour all of it out. Just like that, you squeeze it out. Then you grab your little stick and you just mix it. And you mix the paste. And then you're just gonna wanna put the paste wherever you want it. It's pretty simple. Works really well. Alright guys, so for this side, how it was broken and cracked, I actually went ahead and first put a layer of it before applying the metal surface. And that's how it's coming out. It's looking pretty flat, a lot better. And then this side, I actually went ahead and did use the metal thing. I'm gonna have to do the trimming like I said. But other than that, it's coming out pretty flat. I'm gonna actually have to go run and get some more of this because it was not enough. So I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone and get some more. It's no problem. But look at that. So this stuff actually dries pretty fast. It's gonna be dried up within 15 to 30 minutes, which is really, really good. Typically you wanna at least give it like an hour. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make an AutoZone run to get more of that for this side. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right guys, so we go ahead and got some more. And what I just realized is there used to be one of these right here and it broke off obviously. And this one's starting to break off too, so we're gonna put some of this baby weld on this as well. And also, what we're just gonna end up doing now, it's pretty ghetto, but we're gonna be running 3M tape all along the inside so it doesn't pop off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that as well. That's why I bought some 3M tape. And then obviously we're just gonna finish up this side now. So yeah, that's the plan now, guys. Alright, so we got that. Put it in there now. And now we're gonna go ahead and just start putting all the paste. I think we're gonna need the rest actually. Put some over here as well. Go ahead and just put some on that side and some on this side as well. Alright guys, we got the 3M tape on there now. We're just gonna peel it back once it's on there. And then this is drying up and we're gonna go ahead and start trimming that. I think it's pretty dry now. So we're gonna go ahead and trim that up now too. We're just gonna pop it in.
You pop that on this side. Sit up, Brian. Clean.
Alright guys, so with the 3M tape, it's still honestly pretty bad from my liking. Still like a gap there. I'm gonna be on the lookout for a new side skirt that has that tab that's not broken, but I just fixed it with zip ties, pulling it back, 3M tape. But yeah, that's gonna be a temporary fix. If you guys have any side skirts for sale, let me know. Brian's also gonna help me polish the tome, get it looking shiny again. So that's how it is with the tape coming off. Obviously I'm gonna sand it and I'm gonna go ahead and trim all this, and I'll come back to you guys once I get that done. Alright guys, so that's the final product. Not the best, but I got it done. It's reinforced even under. Metal's hiding. I trimmed it all. It's looking much better. And then this side I think came out much nicer. You can see that. And it's really flat under as well. So yeah, hopefully this works out and keeps the car intact. Shout out Brian. Hey guys, where I drilled the holes, I'm just putting the clips back on so it can stay on. I don't have to worry about it falling off. So it worked out pretty well. You can come to this side and I drilled the hole right here. The bolts fit, so it's right there. Came out good. It's sturdy. I don't think that's gonna break anytime soon. And then same with this side, hole right here, and should be getting it good. I thought it was gonna take a couple of days, but we got it all done today.
Pretty good.
So yeah, I'll show you guys once the bolts are on to see how the fitment came out.
For sure.
Alright guys, so now I'm working on polishing up the exhaust, but I'll show you guys the bumper. This side I just need to sand it down to get it more flush, but other than that it's holding strong. I just need to sand that bump down which I'm probably gonna do another day when I take off my bumper because I'm lazy now. But this side came out much more flush because I sanded the top down. You guys can see it came out almost pretty flat. So yeah, now I'm just working on the exhaust, and I'll show you guys an update on that when I'm done. But this is how it's looking so far. And then look at that scratch I got, guys. Oof. Yeah, I'm gonna polish that.